We at Atlas Bobcat pride ourselves on taking care of all of our customers from start to finish. Whether you're a homeowner with acreage with one machine or a multi-million-dollar company with 100 machines, we're here to help you.
Atlas Bobcat is full-service Bobcat dealership. Sales, new, used. All 6 of our locations around Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana have service, outside service, banded chippers, stump grinders, Cronkite trailers, well stocked with parts. One of the nice things about Atlas Bobcat is we are in Chicagoland. The main parts warehouse for Bobcat is located in Bolingbrook. So if we don't have it in stock, more than likely we can get it next day. And rental units available at each location as well. I've always thought of our salesmen and myself as an extra employee for our customers. If our customers are in trouble, we're here to help.
Atlas Bobcat's geographical location has 6 territory stores. We have Yorkville, Mokina, West Chicago, Wakanda, Elk Grove Village, and then Maryville, Indiana. So the way we're structured, we have 7 counties in Illinois that we're part of and 2 counties in Indiana. So what we have is a circle around our territory that customers are never more than 35 to 40 minutes from any one of our stores at any one time. One of the biggest things that we hear from our customers, what they like about us as a dealer compared to competitors in our products, is that we focus on the compact equipment. We have our footprint that we work within, and a lot of our competitors are more broad-ranged and it's not as focused, and they don't get the service that we deliver to them. I've had many large customers come to me and say that they've dealt with lots of different construction equipment dealers, but they've never got the service that they get from Atlas, and that's one of the big thank yous I get on a regular basis from our customers.